presentation, which is going to introduce UR e-learning system. The presenter is coming from the Center for Open Distance and E-Learning at the University of Rwanda. I'm called Nhabumfura Leon. What is e-learning? When we define e-learning, we are talking about the formalized teaching method, but with the help of electronic resources. When we are teaching or learning by using electronic devices, we can say that we are dealing with e-learning. We know that the normal teaching method is within the physical classrooms, but the use of computer and the internet forms a major component that is called e-learning. Understanding e-learning is simple. It's only utilizing electronic technologies to access educational resources, curriculum, outside of traditional classroom. As you can see this image that I have put here, we have a design of so many electronic devices that which can be used for managing and learning outside the physical classroom. The University of Rwanda has designed a platform for creating a virtual learning environment where students can learn from wherever they are at any time. Lecturers and administrative staff will be ready to support. Any required support will be given. This e-learning platform of the University of Rwanda has been customized from a Moodle platform, Moodle Learning Management System, and for now we are giving it a name of e-learning platform for the University of Rwanda. We have to log in within this e-learning platform to be able to have access on all uploaded modules. How to get access on this UR e-learning platform? The step number one, you have to get internet first. It's mandatory. At the starting point, internet is mandatory. Number two, on your device that you are using, either it's a laptop, it's a mobile phone, you have to open your browser. When we say browser, we're saying like Mozilla, Google Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Safaricom, things like that. All of those are called browsers. You open any one of them and you write this given address, www.elearning.ur.ac.rw. After this step, the second one, you have to add your credentials, username and the password. By default to all students, your username is supposed to be your registration number. Step number three, you have to get access to the modules that you are taking at a given time. By default, lecturers will have to enroll all students on their modules so that when you log in, you have a list of the modules that you have to follow. But if you don't have or you are missing any module, contact any support from the given list. If you open a given course, you have to read and understand all posted information because it's for you that information has been added. Allow us to make live demonstration for what I come to say. So I have my computer here. When I open it, I have to open my browser. On the address bar, I put elearning.ur.ac.rw, then enter. On your right side on the top, you have login section. When you click on the login, it will ask me username and the password. Every user is supposed to have a username and the password. If you are a student, your username should be a registration number. If you are another administrative staff or academic staff, you have to know your username and the password. Let me put my username and I put in my password, which is supposed to be strong enough. Then when you come to login, immediately you have this. So by default, if I come down on the section of my courses, I have a list of modules. Now I have 3 modules. Those modules are the modules that are either I am teaching or I'm supposed to follow as student. My courses are appearing at the bottom of all course categories. The same my course might appear on my left side where I have my courses. I can see my modules here. To get access within my module, I have to click on any one of the given module. If I click on it, whatever which will come here, I'm supposed to read it properly. I'm supposed to read starting from the first point and I understand what is here as designed modules. Thank you very much. That is the first introduction of e-learning platform and how do we get access to our modules. Thank you very much.